Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the DC operating point analysis of common source amplifier, right? So this is the common source amplifier. The MOSFET here you can see is enhancement type. So this is enhancement type common source amplifier. So we will understand the dot OP analysis. You can see at this point here, this is SPICE directive. That means you have to run the operating point analysis, DC operating point analysis for this circuit, right? So this is basically a common source amplifier. Okay, so I will run the simulation and I will show you the DC operating point analysis for this circuit, right? So at the end I will upload this file in the Google Drive and I will share the link in the description section. You can download this file and you can play with this circuit. So here you can see this is the input voltage. Okay, so if you right click here on V2, so you can see the this is sinusoidal voltage and the amplitude for this voltage is 10 millivolt and the frequency is 100 kilohertz. That means it is 10 millivolt 100 kilohertz signal is being applied to the gate of this EMOSFET, right? To the gate of AO6408, right? Okay, then we have the resistor divider biasing. Okay, so it is connected to the 5-volt power supply and the same point goes to the you can say this is the drain resistance. It is connected to the power supply and other end is connected to the drain of the MOSFET. Then you have here the source resistance and this is the bypass capacitor, okay, C3, and C1 is decoupling capacitor, right? And here at this point you have your output V out and that is connected with a coupling capacitor and here you have load of 10k. So this is the basic circuit for common source amplifier, right? This is the basic circuit for common source amplifier. Hope you understand the circuit flow. Now I will run the simulation and I will show you the DC operating point for this circuit, right? So how will you run the simulation? You have to click it here dot op. So you can see this is dot op. Here the cursor is showing dot op. So click it here in the SPICE directive and you have to just write dot op, right? This is the dot op and you can place anywhere in your schematic. I'm placing here right now. And other way to run the DC operating point analysis, you have to go this simulate button. Here you can see this is simulate button, and then you have to go edit simulation command. Then you can see this is DC operating point, DC OPPNT. This is DC operating point. So what does the circuit do in the DC operating point analysis? So you can see here it is saying that compute the DC operating point treating capacitance as open circuits and inductance as a short circuits, right? So if you run the DC operating point analysis, the circuit treats all the coupling and bypass capacitor as a open circuit and all the inductors connected in the circuit as a short circuit. Okay, so you have to just click it here dot operating point, then this will appear here dot op and you have to click OK. This is OK, and now you have here dot op. So So just run the simulation. So go at this button, if you click it here, you can say this is run button, click it here. And once you click it here, you can see you can see here you have your operating points data. So this sheet shows all the operating points of your circuits, right? All the operating points of your circuits. So you can see this is V voltage at VD. So this voltage it is considering, and this voltage is 2.64165 volt, right? And this is also showing the voltage at VG. This is the VG, and voltage at this point is 1.4539 volt. Okay, and this point is voltage at source, and this is 0.589586. Okay, so if you go and if you want to check whether these values are correct, which are showing in the simulation, that is operating point simulation, so what you have to do the theoretical analysis of this circuit. So if you want to calculate the voltage of VG, let us say this is VG at this point. So how will you calculate the value of VG? So if you follow this loop, okay, starting from the 5 volt, then R3, then R4. Now you have to calculate the value of VG. You have to apply the resistor divider rule or the voltage divider rule. So how will you apply? So voltage at VG equals to 5 volt into R4 divide by R4 plus R3. That means 5 volt into 41k divide by 100k plus 41k. Okay, so if you solve this, you will get the voltage at VG equals to 1.4539. Okay, so let us move ahead now. So if you see here, then it is showing the output voltage, which is in somewhere 2 into 64 into 10 to the power minus 13, and it is also showing the drain current, which is 23 milliampere. It is also showing the gate current, the source current flowing through this capacitor C3, current flowing through the capacitor C2, current flowing through the capacitor C1, then current flowing through the capacitance R5, R2, R4, R3, R1. Also, this is also showing the current flowing through your source V1 and V2. So hope you understand how will you do the DC operating point of common source amplifier, right? How will you analyze the circuits? If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.